Hey everyone, so this will be an unboxing of the Top Fin Dazzle. This is the 8-gallon version. I have done the other two versions, and if I remember correct, they are 3 and a 5-gallon tanks versions of this tank. So we finally went out. I finally bought the 8-gallon here. Sorry, this video is a little bit off, a little bit odd. The angle of this is just, this is a super tall box and don't really have a lot of room to work with here. So there's a whole bunch of different colors. So there's blue, red, yellow, white, orange, green, and purple that the LED can be. The LEDs can change to the different colors there. It's an 8-gallon tank. I believe it is glass. We'll find out in just a moment here. There's actually, looks like 12 different LEDs, 4 sets of 3. And then this has an integrated filter in the back of it. So that should be cool. It does have the hydro change for your easy water changes. As we see there. Alright, so here we are. Is out of the box, as you can see here. So this is like a pinkish, it's a pink color, blue. The back is actually green. The other side is, I think it's orange. It almost looks brown, but I believe that is orange. The silicone, so that is really cool. Here is our top here. So like I said, we have the 4 sets of 3 LEDs each. And then there is also a feeder flap here. We'll take that out of the box 100% in a moment here. Always check over your silicone, especially before setting it up with water and stuff, to make sure it's not going to leak. Make sure your silicone looks good there. Alright, then with it, we of course get a little bit of paperwork here on how to set it up and whatnot there. Of course, you get your adapters here. It's a little bit chunky, not the biggest adapter. I wish they would not do these big-ish adapters. Wish they would just do normal size adapters, but you know. Then we have, this will be for your light. So just a 1-button operation here. And this will recycle through different colors and whatnot as well. Here's a bit better view of the green and the orange silicone. This is your easy change, water change. And then your pump will be down below this. This is removable. And we also have good sized cartridge here. There is no biological filter on that, but there we go. Then we have intake here. Mine definitely needs to be, has a bunch of stuff over it, dust and whatnot. Intake down there as well, and then your output will be right here, if I'm not mistaken on this. And again, pink, blue, orange, green. So that is really cool. Again, make sure you check these over. Might have a little bit of a scratch here, but that shouldn't matter. Alright, then here we are with the top on it, which is very, very thin, which is very nice. Makes it look nice and sleek. And you have a feeder flap there for the easy change again. Cut out here for your cords. Cut out here for another cord if you want. You guys probably can't see too well down there, but there should be enough room for a small heater. We'll have to see. I'll probably try to shove a heater down there. I'm sure that it'll probably work out okay. So this is glass, but these little feet, you guys can see them, are actually, they feel like plastic, which I'm kind of surprised at. Some of the other tanks have glass on them, but that really shouldn't matter anyway. Oh yeah, so that is a quick unboxing of the Dazzle 8-gallon tank. Sorry about my foot there. Alright guys, thank you all very much for watching. Hope you have a good one. Yeah, and I appreciate you. And I should mention real fast, these are normally 80 bucks. I bought it on sale for 60 bucks. Yeah. Alright guys, thank you all for watching. Like I said, I do appreciate you all watching. I hope you guys have a good one. Goodbye.